We're gonna start working on the spread for garlic bread. I have 1 cup of soft butter and half cup of Parmesan cheese, 1.5 tablespoon granulated garlic, 1 big teaspoon of parsley, fresh chopped, and half teaspoon salt. Salt you can plus minus because you have Parmesan cheese in it, but just gonna mix it in. This is it. It's ready. Good to go. I'm using a baguette. I love the consistency of it, and I love how it tastes toasted. You can use Italian bread too. I'm gonna cut it right in the middle. I took a piece of foil, almost the size of the bread. We are gonna start with this. I like my bread really garlicky, so I'm gonna use it with a little heavy hand, but it's totally up to you. So you get all of it. And almost there. This is such an easy recipe to make the spread, and it's just the exact amount, just enough for like maybe 1.5 breads. We are gonna fold it. This is ready. We had it seasoned, we had it wrapped. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna uncover it and bake it again for about 3 to 4 minutes to crisp the outside, and then we'll have the pasta and the bread ready to go. So 10 minutes are up. Oh my God. It smells so good. Now I'm gonna crisp it. This is gonna go back in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes. You have to see, you just touch it, and it's gonna get nice and crunchy, and it's good to go. The inside of it really quick before I put it back in. Wow, check this out. Garlic bread is ready. Check this out. I'm gonna garnish it with a little Parmesan cheese. And a little bit more chopped parsley. This looks so cool. Recipe is complete. I want you to look at the gorgeous colors and the craftsmanship on garlic bread and stuffed shells. And the plating is as rustic as it gets. Guys, I wish you could smell it. I wish you could taste it. It is a super simple recipe and very easy steps to follow. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe because I had an awesome time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time. Besides.